Hey, it's Kat here, and today I wanted to show you how to make a blanket stitch border around something plain like a top or jacket to give it that extra little bit of detail. The materials you will need are going to be your garment of choice, some cotton yarn, I will link this one below, a tapestry needle, some tape, a marker pen, a tape measure and some scissors. Step 1 will be to place the tape around where you would like your stitch detailing, about 2 centimeters up from the hem. Then you can mark out where each stitch will go using your marker pen and your tape measure. I am doing 2 centimeters all the way along. I've made a knot in the end of my yarn, and at the other end I've threaded a needle. All I'm going to do is take the first part of the seam where it's closest to the seam and where I made my first mark, and just come through from the back all the way until it stops. All right, and then I'm going to let that lay down like that, and I'm going to go through from the back exactly through that same spot. Right, so before that gets tight, I'm then going to thread the needle through that loop. Now you want to take your needle and put it through the back close to your next mark. Pull, 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 pull. And you want to look for your loop. And when it gets to a near loop, you are going to put your needle through that loop. And when you pull on that, that will make up your blanket stitch. We're going to do that again. So next marker through, pull, 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 pull. And then when it gets to kind of a loop, you're going to just put that up through there. It's taking shape. Now the reason I don't want these to be too tight is because the material is quite soft. So let's go again. I'm going to go up, pull, 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 and then up through here, and pull, 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 pull. Sometimes they can look a little bit out of shape because if your material is quite soft, but because you've done the markers, it won't go too far from those measurements. Once you get into the rhythm, you'll be absolutely fine. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would really make my day. And if you want to see how to embroider a name onto the front of a sweater using the chain stitch, then you can watch that in this video. I'll see you there.